In Mumbai, where every bit of land comes with a huge price tag, people tend to spend crores of rupees in buying their dream homes. But many a times, even after spending massive amounts, the buyers don't get value for their money as they face unending civic issues. This is exactly what the residents of Thakur village in Kandivali are confronting. Ashwini Priolkar joins us with this story.
We are in Thakur village, which is a premium area in Kandivali where people spend crores of rupees to buy homes but still are facing lot of civic problems. And joining me now are some of the residents to discuss these problems. So sir, firstly, let me ask you, what kind of problems are you facing in this area?
The issue we face out here, one of the biggest issues is the menace of illegal hawkers. Everywhere you go in Thakur village, I think this is like the capital of illegal encroachments. Everywhere, the pavements, the parkings, everything has been taken over by illegal encroachments. BMC comes here, they come here, do some action in the morning, by evening, the hawkers are back. Even school kids, women, ladies, seniors, they have to use the roads because the pavements are not available to walk.
So apart from this hawker menace, what kind of other issues that we are getting to see in this area?
We have is the cleanliness and the maintenance of the drainage and sweeping regularly. There's also a small issue where we have a little slum around and there is defacing in public area, where we have a bend over here. On the bend of the road, small kids, they come and deface over there.
तो मैम आप बताइए, आपने कहा कि यहाँ पे ट्रीज जो है वो कट होती है और उसका जो रेजिड्यू है वो आपके प्लॉट के सामने रखा जाता है, तो उसके
there is a reserved plot for school, BMC reserve plot, and all the trees which are cut in this area, उसका जो जितना भी residue है, it is dumped here. It has been dumped from many months. And whenever we complain them, they said हमें तो पता नहीं, हमें इसने बोला. Now they are reassuring कि हम बारिश से पहले will just burn it, but we do not know because it starts stinking.
This area you must be paying lot of, like you have paid premium amount to get your houses in this area. So do you think there's value for money?
Yes, it is indeed value for money, but as I say, this area has got potential to become from good to great. And one of the major problems which others have also spoken about, other than that, is that of the unauthorized parking of trucks, which is a colossal, problem here, which unfortunately has not been taken care of till now. So it looks like that everyone gets to park the vehicles here itself.
NDTV spoke to government officials and this is what they had to say.
हॉकर्स के लिए मैंने एक पॉलिसी बनाई है। असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर आर साउथ वार्ड हमारे साहिबराव गायकवाड़ जी और हम लोग एक बैठ के SWM डिपार्टमेंट और हम लोग ने सब एक वेरीफाई किया है कि कहाँ पे ये लोग हॉकर्स बैठने चाहिए, कितने लाइन पे होनी चाहिए, इनकी कितना स्क्वायर मीटर में ये लोग का एक धंधा यानी बाकड़ा होना चाहिए। बहुत सारे देखे कि हॉकर्स एक 20-20, 25-25 फुट के है ना हॉकर्स अपने हिसाब से लगा के रखे। तो हम लोग इसके ऊपर वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं कि जहाँ पे रेसिडेंशियल कम है, जहाँ पे ट्रांसपोर्ट कम है, उस लोकेलिटी में उस जगह पे हम लोग वहाँ पे उनको शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं। एनक्रोचमेंट पे मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि जितने भी फुटपाथ है, अभी मैंने देखे बहुत सारे जगह पे है कि एनक्रोच किए हैं। ये मतलब इसमें कोई दोरा नहीं है, लेकिन ये जल्दी से जल्दी मैं क्लियर करके दे दूँगा। इसका मतलब स्कूल के बच्चे लोग और जाने वाले हैं उनको आसानी हो सकती है ये।
In Mumbai, Ashwini Priolkar, NDTV.